Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Happy November 28th, 2024, Bird Day. So we're getting ready to head over to my brother's house actually, we're not leaving for a few hours, but that's what we're doing today. So I don't have much for you today, but as you've seen in the past, I've had some issues with my thermostats. You know, I quit using the Vision Pro thermostats, the Honeywell Vision Pros, because I just have nothing but problems with them. Callbacks, getting stuck in wait mode, that type of stuff. Just flat out, they would quit working altogether. So I switched to the Bosch thermostats, the BCC 100s, and I don't like them. You can't lock them out via temperature, only on time delays. You know, you might as well use the equipment. If you're going, use the equipment to control the staging, which I hate doing. I want the thermostat to be able to do it via outdoor temperature, like on a heat pump with backup heat. So a quick little video today. I'm going to start buying the new version of the FocusPro. I believe they're called the S200s. I'm looking at one right now. But let's open one up. Let's see what they look like. See if there's anything I'm not going to be able to show you. Well, no, I can put the batteries in. I can show you the setup and everything. So let's go over that real quick on this Thanksgiving, and then I'm going to get back to the family, football, etc. So let's check it out. All right, so there's the box, and I'll let you know that I paid $88 for this. So the price point's awesome for a smart thermostat. More people are wanting the Wi-Fi's. I personally don't want one in my house, but most people do. So let's look at it. So it does heat pump or conventional. It does up to 3 heat, 2 cool heat pump, or 2 heat, 2 cool conventional. Obviously dual fuel compatible, private label eligible. I won't do that. I won't put my name on a thermostat. I got little stickers I can put on them. Pro install. Works with Alexa, works with Google Assistant. So that's pretty important for people. So let's unbox this thing. Oh, let me also tell you the model number if you're looking to get one. See what your pricing is. TH2320WF4010. And like I said, I think there's 4 different kinds of these, all the way from a non-programmable basic 1 heat, 1 cool, all the way up to this one. So let's open the box. All right, I got her all unboxed, and I forgot this is the Wi-Fi, so it's not going to have battery power, so we're not going to be able to go over the programming and whatnot. And it looks like, oh no, it does come with a book right here. So we'll go over that a little bit. So it comes with what they normally come with. It comes with this backing plate if you're trying to cover up an old like an old chronotherm or something, or an older thermostat that's bigger. It comes with this big backing plate that you would just mount that on. Otherwise, you're just mounting this guy, and then that snaps on. So it looks like they followed the T6 Pro format with these. Gives you wall anchors if you're going into drywall. But let's look at this thing. Let's put it up on this hat here. So, I mean, it's not a touchscreen or anything. It's nothing fancy, but for basic, I prefer basic, man. These old Focus Pros, the older models, were bulletproof. I never had any problems with them. It says smart Wi-Fi on this one. Honeywell Home, of course. I think it looks pretty solid to me. Let's look at the back. So it's got the same pins, kind of like the that mount onto this, kind of like the T6 Pros. Again, there's the model number, all the info, MAC ID and stuff. I'm assuming you're setting these up the same way you do the Vision Pros. So yeah, let's see what the book tells us here. All right, here at the book. So it looks like you can just scan this QR code here if you want to just pull up the full installation manual on your phone. It's got the Pro app. Oh, I can download a Pro app. I don't know what that is. I'll also have to look and see what that is. And it looks like it's just for the S200 series. So that's interesting. I'll see what that is. And then basically it's just looks like the same setup as the T6 Pro. So if you've done this T6 Pro, let me get that shadow out of there. Sorry. If you've done the T6 Pro before, you can probably do these. And it looks like the that shadow. Looks like the setup is pretty similar to the T6 Pro. So you'll just go through the numbers, and it's got the lockout and everything for the backup heat, which is what I hate about the Bosch, is that you can't do that. So yeah, so the other side is probably just the other. Yeah, it's just the other languages. So looks pretty basic to me. Again, for the end user, the customer, Looks like they can scan a QR code for the full user manual. Looks like they can download something called the First Alert app, whatever that is. Let's see what the user guide does. And again, these are nice little quick guides. It looks like that just open up, so you know you're not handing the customer a whole buck, which is cool. And it looks like system operation settings, fan, set the time of day, all basic stuff. Set the program, and then the other languages. Let's flip this over. I think there's 2 more pages that we can look at here. Where is it? Okay. No, looks like that's it. Those are just the other languages. So quick little guide. Scan the app, or just go through this for the end user to set the programming up, time and date, and etc. Which you're going to do that for them when you put them in, obviously. Yeah. So I don't know. I'm going to start using these. The price point's good. I think I can get the 2 heat 2 cools for a basic heat pump system. I can get them for like $65. So pretty awesome. I'm gonna give them a try, and if I start having problems with them, you guys will be the first ones to know for sure.